Let's face it, most plant-based proteins either taste earthy, which is another term for dirt, or are gritty and unpalatable, kind of like dirt. But they don't have to be, and PranaOn has proven that. Smooth and creamy in texture, PranaOn protein powders come in a range of delicious flavors. Himalayan salted caramel is my favorite. They also are low in sugar, but not to worry, the plant-based sweetener stevia sweetens the deal. Yeah, it does. It's no secret to science that plant-based proteins are more easily digested by the body. And this recipe contains 3 raw, sprouted, and fermented proteins with added amino acids and enriched with natural digestive enzymes for increased digestion, bioavailability, and absorption of the proteins. Goodbye bloating and stinky protein power flatulence. To further assist the digestive process, PranaOn have added in vegan probiotic Bacillus coagulans, which support reduced symptoms of digestive discomfort and bad bacteria overgrowth. For an easy on the stomach, muscle fueling, and actually quite delicious plant protein supplement, PranaOn Power Plant Protein is a fabulous addition to your daily dietary needs. Health 2000, where caring comes, well, deliciously.